In this video, I'm explaining to you how you can manifest your desire using a photo. And I'm going to explain to you how I use this technique to manifest something I desired in my life. So please, watch this all the way to the very end. Now, according to Neville Goddard, when you're manifesting something, always imagine yourself already having what you're trying to manifest. For instance, if it's a car, imagine yourself already in that car, driving it, you own it, and you're just feeling good that you got this car. Don't think about how did I get this car. Don't think about, well, I went to the dealership and I saw this car and I put some money down on it. Don't think about all that, because it can happen a different way. So let the universe provide that way for you. All you do is imagine yourself in the car. Picture the car and imagine yourself in that car driving it. Now, there's some steps you can take to make this technique work for you. So the first thing is go on your phone and Google the image or whatever you're trying to manifest. For example, if you want to get a computer, so what you're going to do is go on Google, look for the computer that you like, get a screenshot of that computer, put it on your phone so you can always look at it every time you pick up your phone. Because the next thing you're going to do is look at that picture in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening. And here's another thing you can add with the photo: some music. So think about a song that makes you feel good, that makes you happy, makes you excited. You're going to play that song while you're looking at the photo. There's a time limit on how long you should look at the photo. You should look at the photo at least 18 seconds, because after you look at a photo for 18 seconds, it's embedded in your mind. So you should be able to picture that once you close your eyes. So when you look at the photo in the morning, while you're playing some music for 18 seconds, then you're going to close your eyes and picture that photo. Picture whatever that image is. And if you can see it very clear, that means it's embedded in your mind. So if it's the computer, you want to imagine yourself using the computer, typing on it, listening to music on there, looking at a video. And you're going to do that again in the afternoon and again in the evening. Now, before you go to bed, you're going to look at the photo again while you listen to music, but while you're falling asleep. So when you're in a drowsy state, that's when you go ahead and either pick up the photo and look at it, or just imagine it in your mind. And if you don't have the music playing, just imagine that song playing while you're looking at the photo. And also, you're going to picture yourself using the computer while you're going to sleep. So I use this technique to manifest something in my life. And it took a while though, but I didn't know I was doing it. So I was imagining myself living in a house. It was a big 2-story home, fountain in the front of the home, pool in the back, probably 6 or 7 bedrooms, 3-car garage. You know what I'm saying? I had the cars, and I had the Lamborghini, a Porsche, a Mercedes Benz. I had had that in the garage. The house was like beige. It was kind of beige, and it was a beautiful home, beautiful mansion. I had it set up where I can go inside the house using my thumb. So I had a lock on there where I put down and use my thumb, and it lets me in the house. So I would imagine this every night before I go to bed. I wasn't even thinking about, I'm using Neville Goddard's manifestation technique, because I didn't know who he was back then. I was just going based off of what other people have said about thinking about what you want. So I was just thinking about what I want, and I automatically just start picturing the home and everything in my mind. Now fast forward to now. I don't have the home. I'm in an apartment right now. But I did manifest the lock. And I'm going to show you the lock right here. So that's the lock. Is where you can put your thumb on there and also put the numbers in there to open up the door. And the way I got that was through TikTok. Now I'm on TikTok and I make a lot of videos on there, and I have 274,000 followers on there. So if you have that many followers on there, it's a lot of brands and company that's going to email you wanting to get you to promote their stuff, promote their products. So just one day I'll check in my email and this company send me an email saying, we have this lock we want you to promote, and we're going to pay you for promoting this lock. So not only that I got a free lock, but I got paid too. And that was the lock. And I was like, it popped up in my head like, hold up, that was the lock I was going to use on my new house. So it was just ironic that I got that lock, even though I didn't get the house, but I got the lock. You know, I didn't have to pay anything. It was free. So I was just using that as an example of this technique can work, because it worked for me. It didn't work on a real big scale, but it worked on a small scale, because a lock like that, that's something I can afford if I want to buy it, or it was just, that's real easy to obtain. So guys, it's all about your belief system. If you believe you can have this in your life, you'll get it. Everything is already there anyway, but it might be easier for you to get something that's not that expensive, or something that you think is not that hard to obtain. So that's why I said start off with something small, then work your way up. Now I hope you enjoyed this video and you got some value out of this video. Please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment down below, share this everywhere. We're on our way to 10,000 subscribers. We're already there. It just hasn't showed up in real life, but it's already here. It's already there. So I already have 10,000 subscribers. So I just want to say thank you. Thank you for getting 10,000 subscribers, because it's going to pop up soon. It's going to show soon. All right. On that note, peace, get woke, and keep manifesting.